Hello, my friend. This is Pejman, and I want to show you something really interesting. I promise you that can be really fun and interesting. And I have a count request. Please share this video as much as possible with your friends, and it can be really inspiring for future students who want to make their defense in master, PhD level, and even for employee who want to present their project in a different way. Okay, what is that? This is a live demo of my PhD home defense presentation. Actually, I made a Flask app. For people who don't know what is Flask app, it's a kind of backend in Python. It's a mini framework in Python you can use, and the same of Django, but you know that Django is for big project, big websites, but Flask is really flexible for your small project, for your flexible project. You wanna deploy it very fast, accurate, and beautiful. And I use Python Anywhere as a host to deploy my Flask app. Meanwhile, I used Hugging Face to deploy my big deep learning model. I will show you in a minute, okay? So, my name is Pejman, and I'm a last semester PhD student of Mate University of Hungary, and I made my home defense with this Flask app. You can see a home page. It's nothing, it's just Sziasztok. It means that hello in Hungarian. I'm Pejman Ebrahimi, the title of my PhD thesis. Actually, I'm a PhD student of economic and social sciences, regional social sciences in Mate University of Hungary. And the title of my dissertation is Social Networks Marketing and Consumer Purchase Behavior. Combination of ISM, AHP, and machine learning algorithms. In the first tab, you can see slides. That's nothing, that's just my PPT slides, the same of PPT, and actually I presented my slides based on this tab. You can see all slides and I shared all of them here. You can check them, maybe you're interested. And you can come back to home page. The magic is started from here. The first tab is prediction in Hungary. And what is that? Actually, this is one of my case studies. I have published a paper related to this part. If you check my Google Scholar, I will share it with you in this video. You can find this paper. And this is nothing. Actually, this is just a prediction of actually suitable and good grocery app in Hungary based on demographic values. What does it mean? It means that based on gender, education, age, online experience, and app experience, this algorithm, just ensemble algorithm, can predict which grocery app can be used with different consumers. Is it cool? Yeah. Okay. For example, here gender can be number, must be number, and if it's one, it's male. It's two, female. For example, for a male with education level of, for example, bachelor, with the age of 33, online experience, for example, 10 years, and app experience 5 years, it's predicted this person used Food Panda in Hungary. That's good. Meanwhile, I made the same model, but I deployed this model on Hugging Face. For people who don't know what is Hugging Face, it's a really cool website. You can check them. It's a really good cloud you can use to deploy your machine learning models very fast, flexible, and really, really, really reliable. And you can check here, for example, for female, the education level is, and see how it's flexible and can change with my, you can see very fast. It's changed based on my variables, and you can check it. That is really great. This is another version of this actually algorithm, but that's deployed on Hugging Face. The prediction app in Iran is the same functionality, and you can check it. For example, for a female with under diploma, education, for example, who is 20 years and has 5 years experience and 3 years app experience, Snap Food can be a better option. Okay. The cool part is sentiment analysis tab. You can check here. Meanwhile, you can actually check here my GitHub for Instagram comment. There are two GitHub pages. You can find Instagram NLP project. It means that you have access to TSV files. I will show you in a second what is this TSV files. And some helper function, some Instagram review, and I shared here 1,000 of comments. Another actually GitHub page is PhD live demo. You can find all codes and models related to this cool mini application. Yeah, and you can find it in this actually address. Please go to this address and start it if you like it. Okay, it's great. And you can find some read-me explanation about how you can use this actually page. Okay, come back to my Pejman's defense. Yeah, you can see here is my favicon Pejman's defense. Great. Okay, here you can check Embedding Projector and Instagram comment review NLP model real-time prediction. Okay, what is Embedding Projector? Embedding Projector is a really cool tool. You can use it and you can make visual your natural language processing project. So let's show you here. Okay, it's a default, but I want to use my data. It's based on 1,000 food review comment in Instagram. Okay, I need a TSV vectors file and TSV metadata file. Okay, in desktop, I need the first one was vectors. Okay, vectors and my metadata. How cool is that? You can see, you can see that's live. Even you can use night mode. That can be more cool. Yeah, you can access all these keywords. You can have some, for example, original space for nearest point together. You can explore it more and more, and you can check everything with Embedding Projector. And it's actually obvious. I have two actually classification here, categories here: positive comments, negative comments. And this is really cool tool and can help everybody to make some visualization in a professional way. Yeah. So what's next? The next part is make a really great deep learning model. Natural language processing is used and transfer learning is used to make Instagram comment review natural language model in real-time prediction. Let me show you Hugging Face. Okay. Instagram comment prediction. You can go this address and you can check this space Instagram comments review PhD dissertation. And what about that? Let me write a comment. For example, I was in Hungary. Foods are amazing. I enjoy it. Something like that. Okay, submit. You can see, because it's the first time, maybe it takes a little time, but 3 seconds. Positive comment, great. Or maybe another comment. For example, amazing experience in this restaurant. I like food a lot and suggest here. Something like that, okay? Very cool. You can see the time under 1 second and maybe half of 1 second. The prediction, this comment is positive. Okay, make a negative comment. For example, this was totally trash food. something like that. And it's negative comment and predict under 1 second. And you can check here even my Google Scholar. I believe that I have a grocery app paper here. You can find it. My Instagram comment review paper is not published yet, but this grocery app, you can see this is the paper, the grocery app and consumer purchase behavior. Okay, so that's so cool. You see, you can see how it is cool to make a model like that. And finally, about me, Pejman Ebrahimi, who am I? And you can check my skills, my papers, and even my startup, and something like that. So that's all. This is the way I made my home defense. This is the way I presented my PhD thesis. And I hope that can be inspiring for future students in different levels who want to learn Python programming, who want to learn any kinds of programming, to make something different, to make something tangible for reviewers. And I hope that can be inspiring for some employees. They want to learn programming and share their presentation in this cool way. Okay, and that's all. And if you're interested to learn Python, machine learning, and make some website like that, please and please actually subscribe my video channel. I put it in the explanation part. And please like this video. Please put comments and ask me about. Please provide some video about machine learning, how to make some website like that, how to share and deploy machine learning models in different ways. Please, please, and please share with me, and then it can be inspiring for me as well to make more video, to make more machine learning deployment project and other tutorial for you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.